How to adjust Hisense TV screen size. First of all, press the home button on your Hisense TV remote control. That'll bring you to this screen here, where you want to press up on the D-pad to get to the top menu there. Then go to the right until you get to the settings cog. Press OK on that. There you will be taken to this settings menu here, where you'll want to click on the picture mode at the top by going to the right. Then go down to aspect ratio. There you want to click OK. And then there you got a few different options at the bottom. Once you press the down button, you got 16:9, 4:3. You got movie zoom. And then you can also go over to auto. Auto is probably the one that's going to make the most sense for you. Or if you want to have full screen, you can do 16:19 as well. Movie zoom. There are a few different options. You probably don't want it 4:3, so basically within the aspect ratio, whichever one works for you on your settings, go ahead and click on that one. You can go into picture mode and change some of the settings within there too, but that's where it's done, all in that section there. Leave a like on the video if it helped and subscribe for more helpful videos.